Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If your Windows 11 computer is experiencing random crashes, file errors, or sluggish performance, you may have a corrupted storage drive. I will show you exactly how to safely scan and repair your disk using built-in system tools right now. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Windows command line tool with full administrative privileges to safely modify core disk parameters. Open your Windows Start menu. Type CMD into the search bar and locate the command prompt application. Right-click on the command prompt entry in the search results and explicitly select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the User Account Control prompt to authorize the application to execute system-level repairs. Next, you will use the Check Disk utility to thoroughly scan for file system errors and physically isolate bad sectors. Type CHKDSK space C:// space /F space /R space /X directly into your elevated command prompt window and press the Enter key. The /F parameter fixes errors, /R recovers readable information, and /X forces the volume to dismount first. If your operating system is installed on a different drive letter, you must replace the C: with your specific target drive. Finally, because your primary drive is currently in use by Windows, you must schedule the repair for the next boot cycle. The command prompt will display a message asking if you want to schedule the volume to be checked the next time the system restarts. Type the letter Y on your keyboard and press Enter to confirm the scheduled diagnostic scan. Restart your computer completely and allow the automated check disk process to run uninterrupted before Windows loads. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.